Greetings, salutations, all that good shit. What's good with it, YouTube? It's your boy Sam Ford. I got another unboxing for y'all. Shit, fuck it, let's get into it. Bubble wrap. Yeah, this is the site I've been fucking with though. It's my site, brandairxia. See what they got for me. Got some fire.
These blessings, real game lessons, guidance, show you how to make a fucking fire. Yeah, bitch, they got on the scale and way the whale with. One sniff and make a German shepherd.
Oh yeah. Yeah, brandairxia, y'all. I've been trying to tell y'all about this site, man. Y'all better get on it before everybody get hip. Trying to tell you now. Dead stock. Space Jam 5s, Pro Star 5s, whatever you want to call them. I call them the Pro Jams. Shit. These ain't one though. Dead stock. Man, y'all won't believe the price that I paid for these. I'm gonna tell you anyway, but I paid $125 for these on my site, brandairxia. I'm telling you, it don't get no better than this, y'all. These are 100% authentic dead stock. Shit, anyways. I got more to come though. Stay tuned, y'all. Sam Ford checking out.